chill on it. Guys, we have a lot of hills. Yes, a lot of hills. Right now I am on top of a hill looking over on neighboring communities like Albs. I am looking over on Albertown. If I can zoom up the hill behind that pointy one, you're looking at Falmouth. You're looking beyond Falmouth. Guys, nature is beautiful. It is beautiful. Just have to just give God thanks for life. Thank God we live to see the new year. Look, guys, the beauty of nature. Maybe if you can listen carefully, you can listen for the sounds of the bird. You will hear sound. Maybe you hear my kids in the background, but it is beautiful. The air is so fresh. It is beautiful. Such nice, clean, fresh air. It's after 8 in the morning and the sun is just coming up. It is so cool, guys. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I am on the top of a hill. I am not too a country girl, but believe me, I love it. I love it. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. I am on the top of a hill. You can hear a little, maybe you hear a little talking, and maybe you hear other neighboring people on their farm, but they wake up early. Most persons are on their farms now. Alright, this is the whole nice sweet banana tree. This is a yam plant.